Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. I'm super excited because one of my dear clients who lives in the Miami, Florida area was able to successfully get back with his significant other after having written a letter. To be truthful, we wrote this letter together. And this gentleman is someone that's very dear to my heart. We've worked together for a couple of months and he finally successfully got back with his girlfriend, who quite honestly is a very, very lucky lady because he's an amazing young man. And I wanted to do this video because I wanted you to know that writing a letter after a breakup and getting back together is not only something that is possible or feasible, but it's something that I've done time and time again throughout my career. And most of the time, the process, when someone works with me in a private coaching session and we determine that they need to write a letter, the process is as follows. They write a letter, a draft letter, they email it to me, I review the letter, a lot of times I change a lot of it, and we go back and forth until the letter is perfect. And every single time that I send my revised draft to a client, when revisions are needed, they're always blown away. They always tell me, wow, I cannot believe that you were able to do this for me, because most of the time I'm able to express what they wish they were able to express, but don't have the words to be able to convey the certain message that they're feeling and thinking. And it's not because I'm a magician or because I'm particularly awesome. It's just because I have the experience. Having done this so many times, I can understand the issues, the feelings, the thoughts that a particular client wants to convey. And I have the experience and the expertise to make it happen, quite honestly. And it's not to brag, but I love doing that too, because a lot of times it helps us rebuild the bridge. It helps us to reconnect and to rekindle two people who love each other but who have fallen apart, quite simply because of communication issues, resentment, ego, and lower nature stuff that has no place in any relationship, quite honestly. So writing a letter to your ex is not only a good idea, it's a fantastic idea, as long as you go about it the right way, as long as it's the right situation, of course, and as long as you don't have unrealistic expectations. Do not write a love letter. Don't use it as another means to beg and to plead and to apologize, because doing that is not going to work. If it hasn't worked when you blew up their phone or begged and cried in person, it's also not going to work in a letter. It is not the begging and pleading letter. It is an accountability letter. And if you do it the right way, amazing things will happen. And I would love to work with you to write this letter, to make it perfect, and to maximize your chances of success along the way. As always, thank you for tuning in. Keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon for another video on Love Advice TV.